Good evening, respected sir and my dear friends. I am Monia, a student of BALLB. This is my fifth year, the last year of law. And today I want to tell you a small story of my journey with you all. Last year, when I was in my fourth year, I had one big weakness, my spoken English. During moot court, my hand would shake and my voice would break. My classmate even said, law is not for you. You can't even speak two lines in English. You want to be a lawyer? After that, I went home and cried. And at that moment, becoming a lawyer felt impossible to me. After that, I was watching YouTube and I saw an interview of Justice Lara Seth, the first woman Chief Justice of a High Court. And she smiled and said, I failed in English in school. That line, that single line hit me hard. I sat silent and thought, if she can overcome this and reach the high court, then why I call my dream impossible? And you know what? The problem was not my English. The problem was my fear of failure. Next morning, I decided to change. I did not make big plan. I just started with 15 minutes stay. And I joined this teacher and this classroom changed my of thinking. In my course, I read one case judgment regularly. Similar way, I started learning a new English sentence every day. And today the result is in front of you. I am standing here and speaking in English with you all. I am perfect? No, I am not perfect. And you know what? Last week I explained the difference between IPC 302 and 304 to my junior. And after that, he said, I understood. That moment was my victory. And I did not become fluent overnight. I become fluent regularly, just 1%. And that 1% bring me here today. So my friends, always remember one thing. The word impossible says itself, I am possible. Every expert was once a beginner, and every advocate was once a nervous law student. Every student needs just a good teacher. I am lucky. I found this academy. I found this teacher. So my friends, remove the word from your dictionary. I can't. Always say I can try. Thank you, sir, for making me believe in myself. And thank you all for listening.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Abraham Sheikh, and I'm a 12 pass out student. So today, my topic is everybody has a talent. They just have to find it. So before coming here, my friend recommended me some classes, some ethics classes, and he told me that if you do these classes, your viewpoints, your vision might change, your perspective to see life will change, because ethics is such a subject which somehow blends philosophy and morality in a combination. And I did a few classes, and I learned something from them. And the teacher, they there were many teachers who taught us different subjects related to that, and they told us that when somebody asks us what they want to do in life, what will you do after you finish your school life, you have to choose something. And then I thought about it that I was asked this question many times, but I hesitated. I thought, what do I want to do? And then the teacher said that everybody has a talent, but you just have to find it. It's like a mug, you have to fill it with the right material or compound that is required for the mug. Some, if you see in a class, there are many students who are better in arts, some are better in science, some are better in maths, and some are not better in arts. Some may not draw beautifully, or some may draw the ugliest city of the sea. Or and if you don't go and pursue that something that you like, that you want to do, and you choose something for the just to earn money and live a life, it will affect your brain, your mind, your heart later. Think, if you have done engineering but you want to do art, but life has put you in some situations that you have to choose engineering just to live a better life. But after 30 or more 50 years, after making money, you are living a peaceful life, but you will still, there will be something that will bother you. That I wanted to do art, I wanted to showcase my talent. So if you work hard on the talent that you find, that I want to do art, but I can't do better than anyone else who is doing that. So the talent is just 10%. You have to make it 9% by hard work. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Nadim. Today I speak about everyone need after face failure. This is comeback. Have you ever felt like how hard you try, but people still doubt you? Have you ever felt you are not good enough? Have you ever stayed silent not because you had nothing to say, but because you are afraid to being judged? I know that feeling because I lived that feeling. I stood on this stage many times and I failed. People laughed, people judged, and the worst point is I slowly started believing them. I told myself, maybe I am not made for this. Maybe I am not good enough. But then I asked myself one question. How long? How long will I run? How long will I hide? How long fear control me? No more. No more. Because fear is not stronger than me. Fear is created by me. If I create it, I can destroy it. Today, I don't stand here as a perfect speaker. I stand here as a fighter. I don't care if I failed yesterday. I don't care if people laugh at me. Because every single person here has faced failure. Every single person here has doubt themselves. But different is some people stop and some people rise. So I ask you a question. Will you stop or will you rise? Will you listen to fear or will you fight it? So remember this. It's not about how many times you are fall. It's about how powerful is your comeback. So, and today on this stage, on this moment, this is my comeback. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Good evening, everyone. My name is Sodhi Noskor, and today I want to talk about important topic. The topic is hard work always matters. In life, everyone wants success, but success does not come easily. To achieve something good, we need hard work. Hard work is the key of success. Some most successful person were not born talent or rich, but they work hard every day and never give up. That is why they become successful. Hard work helps us to improve ourselves and move closer to our goals. Sometimes we may fail even after working hard. Sometimes the result may come late, but that does not mean that our hard work is useless. For a student, we need to hard work. If we study regularly, practice daily, and use our time properly, we can improve step by step. And it is true for speaking English, sport, and any other skill in life. I think luck may help in some time, but hard work help us in lifetime. So a person who hard work with consistency and confident, he can achieve anything in his life. So my dear friend, never become lazy, never stop trying, because in the end, hard work may take time, but it always bring improvement and success.